Me and my father had an argument back in 2009, and that argument resulted in him disowning me, angichitha wangixosha wathi ngiphume emzini wakhe. But then today I realize ukuthi whatever he did, I had to find a blessing in whatever he said to me, because if it wasn't for that day, I wouldn't be this guy that you see today. So whatever you are facing in your life, or whether it's positive or negative, take every negative and turn it into a positive. How do you do that? You do that by taking it as a lesson. So my message today, Uguti, you should never let your past determine your future, because all you have is today, and this moment right now is all that matters. And what you decide today, into you decide namuhla yiyo ezodetermine ikusasa lakho, whether liqhakazile or ikusasa lakho aliqhakazile. So remember, this moment is all that you have. The decisions that you make today will help create your future. Never let your past determine your destiny.